Building internal tools still slowing your team down? Starts with a simple request and spirals into front-end fixes, UI responsive alignment or security fixes, or time lost to reviewing auto-generated code. We're building something different. Introducing DronaHQ AI, an AI-powered app builder focused entirely on front-end interfaces for internal tools. Start with uploading a design reference or a prompt. DronaHQ AI generates real scalable UI built inside a universe of well-defined battle-tested components. No random code, no brittle output, no context lost over endless iterations. You get structured screens that are easy to edit, iterate, and scale visually or with code. No more maintenance headaches or worrying about outdated code. The platform stays evergreen, so developers don't have to constantly revisit and patch what's already shipped. Same trusted DronaHQ platform. Now AI accelerated. DronaHQ AI built for developers who move fast. Now in early access. Join the waitlist at DronaHQ.ai.